Hey guys, so if you have the issue that your Quest Pro controllers are not updating, this is something that I found on Reddit, maybe it's going to help you. So you just want to hold the A or X button and tap the Oculus button 5 times until the lights flash red and white, and hold the AX button until these lights go out and then release, and it will reset the controllers. Do this whenever your update fails or you can't connect to them, as this is the correct way to do a full reset of Pro controllers. So this is something that you want to do, and maybe it's going to help fix the issue for you. I hope it does. I just want to make this like quick video. And have a great day and goodbye.